Okay. So guys, I know it's very tough to hear what I am planning up to. I am up to, doing some pull-ups. My last stretch where I can do, it was around 6. I'll try 10 this time. Wait and watch and keep counting, okay? Have a count. But at any time when you start your pull-ups, no need to hurry up. It's better you take 5 pull-ups with a quality stretch than doing 10 without the quality. So it won't actually give a good impact of on your body as well. So it's better. I'll try with quality whatever I can. Please be with me. Oh, okay. These are the basic stretch which you need to do while you start your pull-ups. And the side stretch, always I say, it's supposed to be done before jogging. I've done that time as well. Now also, just to show you all. Very slowly, no need to take jerks. Come straight, go down. This stretch is the most important part. I hope I'm audible well, guys. So we will do set of 3. I mean 2 into 3. 1, 2. Back should be straight while you go down. No need to be hurry. 3. On the second side. So we have stretched it well. We can do this stretching as well, guys. This will be damn helpful because any kind of catch over here will make you a temporary handicap for next 3-4 days until it is rectified. So we can be just back for pull-ups. Always tuck in your t-shirt. Okay guys, let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 more. 6, last. Just remain there for a few seconds just to test your biceps. Okay, I could do better than my yesterday, so I've done 7. I hope you can make out it was at least not a disruptive pull-up. It was very constructive and no shortcuts, no hurry, because hurry always makes you worry, Hurry game is always in the court of devil. So better don't catch it up with this. Do it patiently. Do it with a fruitful intention, not to just show off, show up others that you do pull-ups. But actually you should give a stretch over here. It should better your biceps power, and your back should be getting built. So that kind of pull-ups is necessary. So the other day I just showed you, kind of a leg stretch, which if you remember, I showed you this way, 1 by 1, plus pull-ups here today and jogging. I'll tell you, it will really give you an impact in life. All kind of pursuits, may be professional, may be personal. You grow more patient because you feel that you are the only one actually doing in the morning, exercises. And once you invest your time in these exercises and working out with body, it will give you impact which will last long. And we had to land at 60 years of age. Land means going up. Our life gets extended. So just be very happy, and please keep this gift of God, that is the body, with utmost care. Don't exploit any unnecessary things. Give your full best for this purpose, and it'll take care of the rest for sure. Keep well, guys. And again, when people are around, always cover it up. Corona is everywhere, guys. Be careful. Keep well. Be alive like this. And take care of you and your family. Bye, guys. Woo. See you.